Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Click the subscribe and like button. Let's get into this makeup, honey. Hey y'all, this is your girl Riri Maria. Nah, let me stop playing with y'all. But anyway, so I'm gonna do just the natural kind of look on her. So I'm gonna do a smoky brown eye. I love these looks because when they don't know what they want, it's a good go-to look. And so I'm gonna start out with her brows, and as you can see, she doesn't have much, but we're gonna make them brows fleeky, honey. So I am gonna use the Wet n Wild brow pencil. It's in dark brown. So just keep watching and let's get into it. Alrighty, so now I'm going to conceal her brows, and I'm gonna use the LA Girl Pro in Fawn. So we're just gonna clean her brows up, get them together. All right, so now since I got her all primed and ready for the shadow, so I'm going to use the Morphe James Charles palette, and I'm using that dark brown from that palette, and I'm going to just pat it all over her lid. I don't swipe just because I found that patting gives you more of a pigmented payoff. So we just pat, and then go from there. So yeah, just keep watching, y'all. We getting there. All right, y'all, so we moving right on along. Her eyes are done, so I primed her face, and now we're gonna get it set for the foundation, which I'm using the Maybelline FIT Me in the shade 340. So yeah, let's get it. Alright, y'all, let's get to this highlight and contour. So I'm using the MAC concealer. My bad, y'all, I cannot remember the shade of this concealer for the life of me. So I'm just using my beauty blender to blend it out. And as you can see, I'm just patting because to me it just looks too light. So what I did, and you'll see later on in the video, is I just went in with a darker concealer at the bottom and blended it together to just kind of get more of a darker highlight under her eye, because it was just too light to me. And then I'm gonna take my Black Radiance contour palette and chisel her on out, girl. We're gonna contour. I just love that palette. It's just a great palette. So yeah, just keep watching. All right, y'all. So now we're going to set her highlight. So all the places that I put concealer on her face, I'm going to set it with the Sasha Buttercup setting powder. This is so that her highlight doesn't crease under her eye or on her forehead or in her chin area. So it basically sets the concealer, and also it helps with flashback when you're taking those selfies, honey, and you get a flash and you see, you know how y'all get, you see some people with the white cast on their face when they get their makeup done. Yeah, so this helps with that. So yeah. All right, y'all, so this is the final look. We're done. So hey, don't forget to click that subscribe and also hit that bell so you can get notified when I post more videos. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I did. Bye.